My name is Ross. I work in our strategy consulting business unit and I have been with Meet since September 2022. Meet is a life sciences talent provider with offices across the globe. That includes San Francisco, San Diego, New York, Berlin, as well as our HQ in London.
My name's Lawrence. I head up our strategy consulting business unit and I've been here since March 2018. Strategy consulting is the process of advising companies on important decisions by providing strategic advice. Pharmaceutical businesses, biotechs and medical device companies can't just rely on their own resources and expertise to launch products, break into new markets or receive investment. That's why they rely on consulting firms to provide them with this strategic advice.
To put it in the most kind of simplified format possible, basically it's a company within the industry side, in our instance it's pharmaceuticals, is having a particular high level business problem. In that instance what they need is they need someone to come in with that expertise, specifically within firstly pharmaceuticals. Primarily for us, when it is consulting, we're talking more commercial strategy, market access. So it's people coming in with the expertise in that particular area who can address these issues in more of an objective fashion, with many years experience, high capabilities and expertise in that field. Ultimately, it allows for the greatest level of, number one, efficiency in the market, as well as accuracy. So that can mean a number of different things when it comes to accuracy, but in our instance, it's understanding perhaps in certain markets certain cultural barriers, certain pricing barriers, certain issues when it comes to launching a product in a given market, whether that is the US, the EU or emerging markets across the globe. And ultimately, if that support wasn't there from a strategy point of view, with people who didn't understand, the overriding market on a global scale, there would just be a lot more mistakes. Things would be, released incorrectly. They could be branded poorly. They could be priced incorrectly as well. So it ultimately allows these companies and their products to have the greatest possible chance of success.
Generally speaking, it's a very candidate-driven market. The market was certainly quieter towards the beginning part of this year if we compare it to times throughout the pandemic. There certainly still are active candidates looking for work. There certainly still are companies recruiting, however, not as many as before. So if you are looking to recruit, now is a great time to start recruiting when there is a limited number of organisations recruiting within this space for you to take advantage of specific candidates. Top candidates within this area are looking for three things, I would say. Project diversity, so the opportunity to work across a variety of projects from commercial strategy, corporate strategy, M&A, private equity, market access, medical affairs. Flexibility. And when I mean flexibility, I mean working in a role which operates in a hybrid fashion, with time spent in the office as well as time spent at home, and quick opportunities for progression and development within a company. One of the bugbearers which we hear from a lot of candidates at the minute is that they feel quite stagnated in their current role, in their current company, and so joining an organisation where there's a great opportunity for them to progress to that next level within their career would certainly be highly advantageous to them.
If you are looking to grow and you're looking to bring in the best talent possible for your business, those who really understand the vision that you're ultimately moving for, I feel the work that we do is far more of a personalised format. We want to understand these companies, we want to understand the key motivations for growth or whatever direction the business ultimately wants to take it. And with the candidate pool which we've established during our time working the US market, we have strong relationships, those that we can easily contact and sell in opportunities for great businesses who are looking to grow and make that next step.
We provide contract, permanent and also retained services to our client base dependent on your needs. We just work within the strategy consulting space and we have that market completely mapped out, which allows you to understand the competitive landscape, helping you to identify where you could headhunt candidates from. Specifically working within this area allows us to find candidates quicker. We have extensive networks of candidates within these areas, and we've certainly recruited within this space for some years now. We also do a lot of work with candidates exclusively, and when we're working with candidates exclusively, that allows a greater opportunity for you to hire them and minimises the risk of competing offers. So if you're looking to bolster out your teams within the area of strategy consulting, whether this be from a permanent contract or retained service offering, don't hesitate to reach out.